All right, hello everybody. I am Michael from Michael and Jenny on YouTube, and this is Jenny from Michael and Jenny on YouTube. And today we're going to go to the 2024 Haunt Your House in Ashlin, Kentucky, and we're going to take a look around. People are decorating their houses, and we actually have a map here that we're going to follow, and we're going to take a look. All right, we just on the road, and we're going to look at some of these vehicles too, real quick. We've seen this from the road, and we thought we might as well stop and take a look. That's a classic, and that looks like a little van right there. And Jenny says that they have these in Taiwan, so she noticed them right away. And these are little trucks here. So we thought this was pretty cool, so we thought we would take a look. The van is what caught our eye for sure. All right, let's get on the road. All right, for those who are not from Kentucky, this is US 23, and this is Country Music Highway. And Billy Ray Cyrus has made this road right through here pretty popular for Achy Breaky Heart at the Paramount in Ashlin, which is where we're going. But we just want to give everybody a little view of what we're seeing right now. And this is the Country Music Highway. Okay, Jenny and I, we have made it downtown Ashlin. We are on foot, and we're going to take a look around. And this is our first stop here of the Halloween decorations. I want to give everybody a little look at this mural here. And over here they have pumpkins. And this is the first stop that we've actually been able to see right now. Okay, so what Ashlin is actually doing is they're having people decorate their homes, and you can go vote on it for $1 per vote. Okay, and all those proceeds are actually going to go to the Ashlin Animal Rescue Fund. So it's a really good thing they're doing here, and it's a community event. So pretty excited to be here. All right, we are back in the car, and we're at the Haunt Your House. We're at one location here, and this is the front yard of one of the houses they have here. I will not be saying the street name or anything, but you could tell they really decorated it up for this event. And right there it is, Haunt Your House. And that is for a animal foundation right there. This house looks really, really good. All right, we have another Haunt Your House, and they got that decorated up really nicely. Let everybody have a little look here. This is pretty classy.
Basically looking for
the
sign.
Yeah, basically look for the sign over there. And this is what they got going on. They got some skeletons over there.
And then you vote for your favorite.
And then you vote for your favorite one.
Look, there's the neighbors. That's so cute.
All right, they got a neighbor over here as well, but they're not part of it. But
look at the eye in the window.
yeah, they got eyes in the window over there.
That's so cool.
That's really nice. All right, we are pulling up to the next one, I do believe. This is Haunt Your House. Got a huge skeleton over there. They got a couple of vests on. It looks like they're out here working on some stuff. Yeah, they're working. So there that is. Got one climbing up there on the dumpster. You got somebody else looking, so I'm not going to rush it real quick here, but a little construction worker. I know somebody's probably going to like this. Out here. And there's that. And they did a really good job on this one. Very fun. All right, there's another one right there. Now we're on the main road, so won't be able to stop as easily on this one. They got a lot of skeletons up there on the fence. And we're just out and about taking a little ride, but some of these places are absolutely beautiful over here. It's hard to fathom how beautiful these homes are. All right, we are going to go to the next little stop. There's another squirrel. Get out of the way and see what they have for their haunted house. And once again, a lot of beautiful places out here. Okay, we're not certain if this is part of it or not, but this is really done really, really well. You got Michael Myers up there, which is my favorite, but you got the whole team over there. So you got Leatherface, You got It, you got Jason, you got Scream, and of course they got another Michael Myers right there as well. So this is really, really done.
Chucky.
So nice. Where's Chucky?
Chucky.
And there's Chucky. Yeah, Jenny, you're right. There's Chucky there on the ground. Might be a little difficult to see, but this is really, really nice.
That's so cool.
All right, I don't see a sign, so I don't want to be too invasive, but really well done. Okay, so Jenny and I, we decided to get out of the car and we're going to walk around the park. This is Welcome to Central Park, and this is the park here. It says the pride of our community, and this is Ashlin, Kentucky. It is a beautiful park and a lot of people come here. We're just going to get out and take a look around, let everybody see some of the sights. But we enjoy coming here, especially during Christmas time, because they will actually decorate the Christmas lights up in the park itself. So let's go take a look around. All right, got us a little squirrel here. Did not bring any nuts. I'm sure that's what he's wanting, or she is wanting. But looks like I'm gonna take off. I don't have nothing for you. All right, we are making our way through Central Park right now. So like we said, we were gonna go try to hit a lot of these, but they are basically spread out so far. We're hoping to get a couple of them now. And then we might just go get something to eat. And just going to give everybody a little view of the park they have here in Ashlin. And then we'll see what else we can get into. And we are beside King's Daughters Medical Center, and that is a helicopter up there. They have a pad up there for the helicopter to land. So right up there, it might be a little difficult to see at a distance right now with the Osmo, but you could definitely hear it. And as you can tell, they're already decorating for the Christmas holiday season. That is an elf climbing up a ladder. It might be difficult to see, but they always light this up during the Christmas season. So they have to get started quite early on this stuff, but because it takes a while, I'm sure, to put it all up. But just give everybody a little look at the light itself. And then what we'll do is we'll try to get back over here and drive through the park when they have it all lit up. And we normally get out and take a look around. Jenny is over here enjoying the little pond they have over here, so I'm gonna go in this direction. And not to get anybody's business, but we got two ghosts over there as well, it looks like. And they do have an Ashlin time capsule here, buried January 1st, 2000, open January 1st, 2100. So this is pretty interesting. I always like stuff like this. So, but 2100, probably won't be around to see that one. But anyway, it's always going to be fun for those who are around. All right, we are currently sitting on a swing here and just taking our time, enjoying the little lake. And they have some water spouts there. And during the wintertime, this freezes over a lot of times, and it's nice to come around, just walk around and see the lights they have. And they have a beautiful log cabin here at the park. Let everybody have a little look at this. And one thing about this park, they have huge trees. Just absolutely beautiful trees. And they do have places for the kids to play. Not gonna get over close or anything, but they got swings, they got slides, they got like monkey bars over there. They got basketball courts. So this park is a really nice little park. We enjoy coming here, and I think we're getting ready to go get something to eat right now. And if I'm not mistaken, don't quote me on it, these are Indian mounds right here as well. We got a couple of them over there actually. All right, I was hoping they have a sign about these Indian mounds, and they do, so they are Indian mounds. We'll take a little look here and see what they got to say. Indian Mounds, 1 1/2 miles in E in Central Park, is an irregular row of mounds, part of a chain built by prehistoric men who were the forerunners of American Indians. And give everybody a little look here at the mounds here at Central Park. All right, so you have one here, one right there, and another one, and it actually goes on down the line there. So it looks to be about 3, 4, 5 of them that I see from where I'm standing right now. All right, at least I get to go to Panera Bread today. All right, they have new and cozy, it's soup season, new hearty fireside chili, and it's in the bread there. So I'm thinking about getting that. Maybe Jenny will get it, I'm not sure. But we'll double check and see what we want to get for sure when we get in there. And a little look inside at their pastries here. Absolutely beautiful looking. And give you a little look at their bread back there. It doesn't even look real. I bet it is really delicious though. All right, I got my fire chili here in a bread bowl, and also got onion. And this is an onion soup here in a bread bowl. And this is a lot of carbs, it does look like. But Jenny did get her a salad as well. And all this was $32. And I must say the chili is really, really good. I get a little nervous sometimes when I'm around people and I have to order. And basically I got 2 soups. I probably should have went with a soup and a salad like Jenny did. But I started getting a little nervous and I just threw out 2 soups out there. I do the same thing during the drive-thru at McDonald's. Sometimes just order whatever just to get out of the way. Okay, if you like hot, spicy chili, this is definitely something I would recommend. It is really hot, and then you get a little bit of the bread down there at the bottom. Kind of cools it out a little bit, but the chili is extremely warm and hot, so. It's got a lot of spice to it, feels.
You should use enough bread.
For what? Oh yeah, you're smart. So dip the bread in there, huh? Well, my chili's almost gone now. All right, Jenny told me to dip my bread in there. That way I can get some chili on the bread and eat the bread at the same time. She's a little bit more sophisticated than I am. I'm just digging with my spoon, but this is pretty good. All right, I'm gonna get started on my onion soup now. I gotta be honest, I don't know why I got this. It just one of those rushed decisions, but I think I'll try it. Want something a little different, something I normally don't get, so give it a little try. I have to say I don't know if I like the smell or not, to be honest, but you know. All right, it is really good. So it was a good choice. I think you would like this, Jimmy. Probably more than the chili. Okay, this is the onion soup here, and this was the chili soup. I have to say, I enjoyed both of them. I don't think I want to eat all this bread, of course, but the soup was really good. The onion soup, I do like, but if I had to choose between the two, definitely the chili for me. I like the spice of the chili. All right, well, I am basically done. I started playing with my food, started like stacking it up like an Egyptian pyramid. That's how I know I'm done. Jenny's still eating, so after this, we're gonna probably walk around the mall a little bit, and then really not sure what we're gonna do. I think we're gonna try to get some apples, so we'll see where we go next. All right, I'm still waiting on Jenny, but I am really bored. I got way too much bread, and it looks like a piece of bread is eating a piece of bread right now. You about done yet? About 5 more minutes there? Anyway. Look at him go. It's a lot of bread. All right, we are done out of Panera. We're going to walk the mall a little bit, go to TJ Maxx. And I just want to say I stopped eating a lot of sweets and I started going to protein bars. So this has been helping out after I eat my lunch or something. I'll just grab a protein bar, eat that. Used to eat like 3 or 4 donuts, you know, or something like that, but try to cut back on the sweets. You ready to go, Jenny? Jenny's a little fired up. She didn't really want to pay that much money for lunch, but you know, she gets in those moods.
It's not just that.
What's the matter? What's the problem? What's the problem? What's the problem?
I recognize I do not like it.
You recognize that you don't like Panera now? All right, she recognized she didn't like Panera now and spent too much money, huh? You spent a little too much money?
I feel...
You feel what?
I make a better lunch than that.
You feel like you make a better lunch than Panera? Okay. She feels like she could make a better lunch than Panera. All right, let's go walk the mall. What's the matter? You got some chili on your shirt?
Pants.
On your pants? All right, TJ Maxx is ready for Christmas. You got Santa's mail right there. Give everybody a little look. I am still in Halloween mode. Not really thinking about Christmas too much right now, but definitely in Halloween mode. All right, so basically Jenny's just shopping around at TJ Maxx at the moment. And gotta be honest, today's video is not actually what we planned out, but just gonna be making a little video. It's basically a day vlog. All right, I'm looking for a belt here. They got some pretty good deals. $9.99, $14.99. These things cost like 55 bucks, it says. So I need to get me a belt. I've been poking holes in mine with a knife, and I'm not the best with the knife. I'm gonna see if I can find me a nice belt. I like the big silver belt buckle. If we can find something like that. I like that, see, but I like black belt. All right, I believe I got the belt that I want. It has a big belt buckle there. It's pretty nice. And I think it's about $14, $14.99 right there. It's a Levi's. I'm gonna show everybody my waist size, I guess, but yeah, I think this is gonna be it for me. All right, they also have Haunt Your House in Greenup, Kentucky, so we're gonna head this direction. And got a, looks like it'll be like triple train track here, which is pretty cool. But we're gonna see if we can find, I pushed on the gas a little too hard there. Push on the gas and the brake maybe at the same time. All right, there is Haunt Your House. Oh, this is a pretty good one. Yeah.
Is this on the dress?
That's it right there, yeah. They got the Haunt Your House, and it looks like a bunch of people are actually burnt there. So that's pretty cool. Yeah. All right, Jenny wanted some Furman apples, so that's where we're headed to right now. We are done looking for the haunted houses, and they are having like a pick your own pumpkin day down here, so it is going to be quite busy, but we're just going to get a bag of apples today. All right, Jenny wanted to get some apples, so she got a whole bag of apples, $22 worth. She can barely carry it. They are having their Apple Fest today. And just give everybody a look around. Do you want to take a look around, or are you done?
That's you.
It's your call, but it looks like they got a corn maze over there as well.
I cannot go.
All right, we're going to take the apples back to the car and see what we decide to do. All right, so we got the Fuji, and it is what, the 20 pound it looks like right there. So yep, got the 20 pound, and that is all the apples that we got there. So how much was this? $22. Yep.
Really good.
Really good deal. All right, I am Michael. There we go. I am Michael from Michael and Jenny on YouTube, and this is Jenny. All right, we are getting tired. We've been running all day, so we hope you enjoyed this video. It didn't pan out quite as we hoped or planned, but that's okay. All right, so if you don't mind, please subscribe, leave comments, ring the bell, whatever you'd like to do there. And most of all, thank you so much for watching. All right, bye-bye.